Artificial intelligence is moving so fast that even the biggest technology companies in the world are struggling to keep up. Over the last few years, a powerful rivalry has been forming between some of the most influential companies in the tech industry. At the center of this rivalry are two major forces in artificial intelligence: the creators of advanced AI models and the companies building the platforms where billions of people search for information every day. What many people are now calling the AI war is not a single event. It is an ongoing race between companies to build smarter, faster, and more powerful artificial intelligence systems. And right now, the competition between OpenAI and Google is one of the most important battles shaping the future of technology. This competition matters because artificial intelligence is no longer just a research project. It is becoming the foundation of the next generation of computing. AI is changing how people search for information, how businesses operate, how software is written, and even how creativity and communication happen online. Just a few years ago, most people rarely interacted directly with advanced artificial intelligence systems. AI existed behind the scenes inside recommendation algorithms, search engines, and social media feeds. But everything changed when powerful conversational AI systems began to appear. The release of advanced language models allowed millions of people to interact with AI directly for the first time. Instead of typing short search queries into a search engine, people could ask complex questions and receive detailed answers. This shift represented a major change in how information could be accessed on the internet. At the center of this transformation was OpenAI, a company that developed some of the most advanced AI models available today. Their conversational AI systems quickly gained massive popularity because they could answer questions, generate text, write code, and assist with many everyday tasks. The sudden popularity of these systems created a major shock across the technology industry. Companies that had been working on AI research for years suddenly realized that the public was ready for AI-powered tools that could interact directly with users. One of the companies paying the closest attention to this development was Google. Google has long been one of the most powerful technology companies in the world, and its search engine processes billions of searches every day. For years, Google has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence through its research divisions and its AI-focused company DeepMind. But the rapid rise of conversational AI created a new challenge for Google. If people began asking questions directly to AI systems instead of using traditional search engines, the entire structure of online information could change. Search engines have historically relied on a simple model. Users type a question into a search bar, and the search engine returns a list of links that may contain the answer. Conversational AI works differently. Instead of returning a list of links, AI systems can generate a direct response. This difference may sound small, but it has enormous implications. If AI systems become the primary way people find information, the companies controlling those AI systems could shape how information is delivered and interpreted. That possibility has made the competition between AI developers extremely intense. OpenAI's rapid growth forced many companies to accelerate their own AI projects. Google responded by launching its own advanced AI systems designed to compete directly with conversational AI tools. One of the most important of these systems is Gemini, an AI model developed by Google that is capable of understanding text, images, and complex questions. Gemini represents Google's attempt to integrate powerful artificial intelligence into its ecosystem of products and services. Instead of simply reacting to the rise of conversational AI, Google is trying to reshape how AI interacts with search, productivity tools, and everyday digital experiences. This competition is not limited to a single product or feature. It is a broad technological race involving research, infrastructure, and global influence. Artificial intelligence models require enormous computing resources to train and operate. Companies must build powerful data centers filled with specialized processors capable of handling massive amounts of data. This infrastructure requires billions of dollars in investment. Because of this, only a handful of companies in the world have the resources necessary to compete at the highest level in AI development. OpenAI has formed strategic partnerships to support its AI research and infrastructure. These partnerships allow the company to scale its models and bring them to millions of users. Google, on the other hand, has been developing its own hardware and cloud infrastructure for years. This gives Google a powerful advantage in terms of computing capacity. The competition between these companies is not only about technology, it is also about influence. Artificial intelligence will likely shape the next generation of software, communication, and online interaction. The companies that control the most powerful AI systems may have enormous influence over how information is created, shared, and understood. Another major aspect of the AI war is the race to build better reasoning models. Reasoning models are designed to analyze complex problems step by step and produce detailed explanations. These systems can assist with tasks such as programming, scientific analysis, and advanced research. Developers are constantly improving these models to make them more accurate, faster, and more capable. This race to improve reasoning capabilities is pushing AI technology forward at an incredible pace. Each new generation of models introduces improvements in understanding language, analyzing data, and generating useful responses. Another area of competition involves integrating AI into everyday tools. Artificial intelligence is no longer limited to specialized applications. It is being integrated into productivity software, email systems, search engines, and even operating systems. This means that billions of people may soon interact with AI systems as part of their daily routines. Companies that succeed in integrating AI seamlessly into these tools could gain enormous advantages. For example, imagine writing a document where an AI assistant can help generate ideas, summarize information, and suggest improvements in real time. Or imagine a search engine that can analyze complex questions and generate detailed explanations, rather than simply providing links. These possibilities are driving companies to compete aggressively. Another important factor in the AI war is the development of AI agents. AI agents are systems that can perform multi-step tasks on behalf of users. Instead of simply answering questions, these systems can carry out actions such as searching for information, organizing data, or interacting with software tools. AI agents represent a major shift in how artificial intelligence may be used. Instead of acting as passive assistants, AI systems could become active participants in digital workflows. Developers are exploring how these agents could help automate tasks that currently require human effort. This development could have major implications for productivity and automation, but it also raises questions about control and safety. As AI systems become more powerful, ensuring that they operate reliably and safely becomes increasingly important. Researchers are working on techniques to make AI systems more transparent and easier to supervise. Another dimension of the AI war involves global competition. Artificial intelligence is now considered a strategic technology by many governments. Countries are investing heavily in AI research because of its potential impact on economic growth, national security, and technological leadership. This means that the competition between companies is also connected to broader geopolitical trends. Artificial intelligence research is happening across universities, research labs, and technology companies around the world. But the companies leading the development of large-scale AI systems have become central players in this global landscape. The rapid pace of AI development is also creating new challenges. One challenge is ensuring that AI systems produce accurate and reliable information. Language models generate responses based on patterns learned from large datasets. While they can produce impressive results, they can also make mistakes. Developers are working on techniques to improve accuracy and reduce errors. Another challenge involves transparency. As AI systems become more complex, understanding how they arrive at specific conclusions becomes more difficult. Researchers are exploring ways to make AI systems more interpretable so that users can better understand how decisions are made. Despite these challenges, the momentum behind AI development continues to grow. Companies are investing enormous resources into building more powerful models and expanding their capabilities. This competition is accelerating innovation. Every few months, new models appear with improved performance and expanded features. The pace of change is so rapid that many experts believe the next decade will bring even more dramatic transformations. Artificial intelligence could reshape industries ranging from healthcare and finance to education and entertainment. It could change how software is written, how businesses operate, and how people interact with technology. The rivalry between major AI developers is helping drive this transformation. Competition pushes companies to innovate faster, improve their products, and explore new possibilities. While this rivalry is often described as a war, it is also a powerful engine of technological progress. Each new breakthrough brings us closer to systems that can assist humans in more meaningful ways. But the outcome of this competition is still uncertain. Artificial intelligence is evolving so quickly that predicting the future is difficult. New startups may emerge with unexpected innovations. Existing companies may develop new strategies or technologies that change the landscape. What is clear is that artificial intelligence will play a central role in the future of technology. The companies leading the development of advanced AI systems will likely shape how people interact with information for decades to come. The battle between OpenAI and Google is only one part of this broader transformation. But it is one of the most visible examples of how intense the race for AI leadership has become. Every new model, every new feature, and every new breakthrough adds another chapter to this ongoing story. And as the competition continues, the technology itself keeps improving. This means that the real winners may ultimately be the users who gain access to increasingly powerful tools. Artificial intelligence has already changed the way millions of people work and communicate. The next generation of AI systems could change even more. So the real question is not whether the AI war will continue. The real question is how far these technologies will evolve in the coming years. And when the next major breakthrough arrives, which company will lead the next stage of the artificial intelligence revolution?